Hey, happy Monday, everyone. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We have got lots of things going on. We got so many projects coming up, but being as Black Friday just kind of pushed everything back, we're hoping to get on the first project on Wednesday's video, but today's video, another great sign carvers of the day. So let's jump right into it. So first one we've got is from Curtis Bailey. This is 14 by 40 and a half, 5-inch letters, and used it as a bench back, and used that panel board from Lowe's, which that is really cool. What a great idea. Beautiful job, Curtis. Love it. John Henderson, 24 by 24. He actually carved plywood. And plywood, you know, there's some nice plywoods out there. Plywood, I've carved plywood with MDF core, and it's worked out pretty well. Very nice job, John. You just have to be careful when you do the sanding to not go through that top veneer. Here's a...
I know who that is.
Yeah, John Arend. So this is great. Take a second and read that, guys. I'm not going to read it for you, but...
As I lay rubber down the street, I pray for... As I lay rubber down... Start over again. As I lay rubber down the street, I pray for traction I can keep. But if I spin and begin to slide, please, dear God, protect my ride. Amen.
I love it. That is great. Great job. That's a lot of carving, too. Jeff Foreman, a neat little memorial sign for, obviously, a well-loved dog. Love it. Great job, Jeff. Beautiful work, buddy. Mario Vasquez.
I love the Grinch.
Down in Texas. So this is a cedar picket, 1/2 inch thick, 5 3/8 by 13 1/2, and used the early American stain by Minwax, getting ready for a craft show. Yeah, love the Grinchy claws. Love it. Stephen Pankey, or Pankey. Really nice job, Stephen. I wish the picture was a little bit better, but man, carving that logo can't be easy. That was nicely done, Stephen. Very nice. Manny Lopez. He's been making these crosses since 2019. This was donated for a man that lost his life when a mud buggy at a race went off the course and went into the crowd. Mr. Valdez was a boxer. This is 3 foot by 5 foot pine with golden pecan stain. Wow. Fantastic. Great job, Manny. Love it. Adam Gill in Yorkshire, UK. He's been carving for about 6 months. That's pretty nice work for only doing it 6 months, Adam. Great job, man. Love it. Richie Barclay, down in New Zealand. He's an SOA fan, obviously. Or he made this for an SOA fan.
That's not easy to do.
No, that's a lot of detail on that logo. Great job, Richie. Beautiful work. Tessa made this from one of those old cutting boards. You know, the old cutting boards that were in the cabinets, and the counters. I remember every house we ever lived in back in the 70s had a cutting board that just slid out. Anyway, that's what she made this sign from. Very nicely done, Tessa. Gosh, you're really getting good. Some really beautiful lines. Great job. Luke Schultz. Nice live edge cedar piece here. Beautiful board. Very nice lines, Luke. Good job, buddy. Michelle Scarantino. She's our little dog trainer. You just had a blast with Michelle down in Texas. What a sweet lady. She made this for a friend. This is Poplar. Lily Graced is the dog, and Elijah is her horse. Beautiful. Neat logo. Tim Lichtenberg.
That's cool.
That's really cool, isn't it? And this is a keychain holder. You have to really kind of look, but it's a keychain holder. And he used the profile bit and the 90 degree. That is really a neat design. I really like it. Great job, Tim. Smith made him. And this is 2-inch by 15-inch by 54 live edge cedar. And his parents are going to have their 50th wedding anniversary next April. So he made this in advance. Nicely done. Great job, Smith. John Ryder Sr., first sign ever. Neat job. Very nice. For your first one, John. Great job, buddy. Love it. John Toner. And this is, gosh, there's so much. Those tiny letters like that, those are tough to do. Those tiny inset letters, there's not much room for error, and he did some great job on that logo. Great job, Jeff. Beautiful work. Scott Christian. So he's making some barbecue signs, which is a huge niche. You know, every guy has some kind of a barbecue, and a lot of gals are into barbecue too, I guess. But a lot of barbecue signs. That's a big niche. Keep it up, Scott. Good job, buddy. Tom Schneider made these for his wife's horses, and I think they're terrific. Great job. Beautiful work, Tom. Hill Archuleta. We visited Gil with when we were up in Vegas. Went over to his house, and Carmen was with us, actually. Did some sharpening of his bits, and does really nice work. Gil, you're doing great stuff, buddy. 18 by 36 laminated redwood. That is a lot of carving. Great job, buddy. Love it. And Eric Stamatelos. He's over in California, Northern California, kind of where we grew up. 16 by 24 panel board. Great job, Eric. Beautiful work, buddy. So there it is, guys. This will take us through, I believe, the end of October. Toward the end of October. I'll put the dates across here. Remember, guys, when you're going back to look to see where your pictures are, I'll put the dates of across the screen and in the title of what these pictures represent, from what date to what date. So you guys that way keep track of when you send your pictures to me, so you can always go back and reference what video they're on. But keep sending me pictures, guys. I'll do these every 2 to 3 to 4 weeks, as much as I can. I've still got a pretty good stack, but thanks again to you guys for everything. And with any luck at all, we'll be starting on one of our projects on Wednesday's video, if all goes well. Anyway, guys, thanks again. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.